we can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. Okay, that is probably about all the energy that I got to give. Anywho, so today I'm probably not going to be doing nothing. I'm probably going to just be cleaning, doing laundry, washing dishes, cooking breakfast, you know, sweeping the floor, all that good stuff. But apparently y'all seem to really like those videos the most, so that's really interesting. So yeah, we may go to my parents' house later on. I'm not exactly sure yet, but if we do, y'all will see. So let's get to this.
spray every 18 minutes. That's this.
I see you looking all good and whatnot on Facebook.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're trying to catch some bodies or something.
You hear what she say? She say you over there trying to catch some bodies or something. You know what that means?
No.
That means you picking up mine. That's what she said.
She said no.
Yeah, man.
When you seen this, look, somebody draw us, bud.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. It called Peanut Heads by Lawrence. He from England. He from London. Yeah.
What they doing over there chilling?
Yeah, Mom chilling.
Hey, I wanted to show y'all from the other night when we went to Babe's work Christmas party. We got drawn. And it's so cute. So I'm gonna get us a little picture frame and frame it.
What he say? What he say? What he say?
It's so cute, y'all.
What he say?
Alright, I'll show y'all. I'll probably come back when
Hey,
breakfast is done.
Tell him say how you say it, man.
He on the phone. Alright, y'all, I am about to burn one of my candles that I got. Yes, marshmallow fireside. I already have candles in my little holders. So, here's my little Christmas one. Oh, look, there's marshmallow fireside in there. Oh, shit. Okay, well, we'll go just burn that one. Save the new one for another time. Excuse me. I can put these in my little storage tub then. Excusez-moi. Let's burn this then. Isn't the holder so cute and Christmassy? I love it. I haven't lit a candle in I don't know how long, which is really, really bad. But yeah. Marshmallow fireside, y'all. If y'all haven't smelled this candle, y'all need to smell it because it is just so good. Alright, if y'all have watched my vlogs before, then y'all know basically what breakfast consists of. But today we're having rice as well. Babe is having plain rice, and then I'm having breakfast rice. I think it's more so of a southern thing because when I was in Ohio for college, they didn't really know about this either. Breakfast rice is really just basically butter and sugar in the rice. Basically, sweet rice. So that's what I'm having. My plate is over there. And then all we're waiting on is our toast. And then it's time to grub. This right here is thebomb.com. Okay? It is so good, and I'm glad that I finally found it. Okay? Like, for real. So I did end up going to my mama's house. I got me some turkey pot pie and the banana nut bread. If you watched my vlogs before, then you know all about that. Yes. So, y'all, I really didn't do nothing today. I'm sorry. And I ain't vlog over there because everybody was in the bed chilling and, you know, didn't want to be on camera and all that. So, I'm still washing dishes. I'm still doing laundry and, you know, all that good stuff. So, I ain't finished nothing. I'm about to do some homework, edit this video, get it up, eat some food, drink a little bit, and take my butt to bed probably. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. Sorry this video was probably boring and short, but that's okay though, because it's Vlogmas and we vlog our life, and this is real reality right here, okay? Well, I don't know about everybody's channel, but this over here, you're gonna get the real deal. Anywho, love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next Vlogmas.